I am Naga, the voice of the people of Nagaland, the indigenous people of Northeast India and Northwest Burma.
For centuries, outsiders called us headhunters, savages, tribes to be tamed.
But the truth is different. We are one of the proudest peoples of India and Burma. The Naga have lived in the mountains along the borders of India and Myanmar for thousands of years.
We built villages high on the ridges, defended by warriors and traditions of honor. Our people resisted the British Empire, fighting to protect our independence.
Even today, our history is one of survival, resistance, and pride.
We are part of the great Tibeto-Burman family, connected to peoples across the Himalayas, Tibet, and Southeast Asia.
Our DNA and languages carry the story of migrations through Asia, proof that we are ancient, rooted, and strong.
Our culture is vibrant. Each Naga tribe, Angami, Ao, Sema, Konyak, and many more, has its own language, its own traditions. But together, we are one people.
We carve wood and bone into sacred forms. We weave shawls that tell stories of bravery. The Hornbill Festival keeps our traditions alive, showing the world that our culture is not gone, it thrives.
But the Naga also suffered. The British called us headhunters to make us seem savage, justifying conquest.
After independence, our land was divided between India and Myanmar without our consent.
For decades, we faced violence, military occupation, and attempts to erase our sovereignty.
We are the people of the hills, the guardians of the frontier. Our legacy is not one of headhunting. It is one of survival, unity, and strength. So hear me clearly. We are not savages. We are Naga. Our history is long, our blood is ancient, and our culture is alive.
And we are still here. Naga forever. We are proud people.